Hi and welcome to the 2013 SEMA show. My name is Chris Gauss and I'm the manager of sales and marketing for DynoMax Performance Exhaust. We're here today to show two unique builds. And the SEMA show has always been known for its ability to bring in these beautiful cars that get built over the course of the year. Well, there's no exception. We have two unique builds brought to you in this booth today through the power of DynoMax. Let's take a look at some of the builds we have over here. On this side over here, we have Chris Holstrom. Chris Holstrom has a 1967 Nova, Chevy Nova, that has more than the typical setup inside of it. Chris has an LS9 crate engine inside this beautiful vehicle that's more than your normal type of vehicle. Chris spared no expense through the detail of putting this vehicle together. This was a Chevy Nova taken out of California, a rust-free vehicle I believe it was, and Chris has gone through painstaking detail to go over this whole vehicle. This thing is just a true gem. Now Chris used DynoMax Ultraflow welded mufflers inside this vehicle with the straight through tubing. So they really raised the bar. This is a really unique vehicle. So let's take a look and see what we have underneath the cover here. Chris, tell me a little bit about the build.
Well, we can start with the platform. We have all DSC suspension. They're front clip, what they call a quadrillink rear end in the back. We started with that as a basic platform to build up from there. Complete with the mini tubs to fit a 1911 forge line wheel. Front and rear 18s up front, 6-piston bare brakes, basically 14-inch rotors. The black paint, we basically just wanted to make it look as basically as stock as we could, because we felt that Chevrolet did such a good job to begin with. But we wanted to get back to what the designer was thinking when he first drew the car back in probably '64 or '5. We got rid of all the badges and emblems off the side. Basically took the rear bumpers and tucked them in on each side and edge. Took all the plating and had it redone. Got rid of all the bumper bolts. Just wanted to give it a shave and a haircut and clean it up. So most people would walk up to it and go, oh, you know, it looks like a Nova with some big wheels, and we just went from there with it. So Jamie McFarland out of Puyallup, Washington, did the custom interior. And the inspiration for this was it's a Jason Rushford design interior where Jamie McFarland pulled it off. Is we wanted to go kind of a vintage Ferrari feel, with a little bit of modern flair. Some billet accessories, custom gauges. And then the metal work, some of the different things we did is we got rid of the factory vent louvers. We went with a one-piece style there to just kind of dress it up.
Next up, we have let's take a look at this motor, Chris.
Again, we wanted to make it, in the engine compartment and the trunk, we did a few things. We wanted to basically make it look like GM had built a concept car. We didn't really want anything to stand out except for the engine itself. We wanted to pay tribute to the LS9 and still show the supercharger, but our metal man Josh Ewing just completely hand fabbed the air intake and this engine cover here. The air intake, this actual radiator piece, is all one piece into the fender. No filler on that piece of metal there. That is just powder coated. He did such an amazing job developing that. So.
And I believe you named the vehicle 9 mil. 9 mil, is that correct?
Yes, kind of an industrial but yet classy military spec vehicle.
So it's a beautiful sleeper type of look. I'm sure you're getting a lot of heads turned when you're taking it down the road.
We're very happy with how it turned out. We'd love to show you the trunk also, where the metalwork just extends to that area also.
Let's take a look.
Being that a LS9 is a dry sump motor and a Chevy Nova is an incredibly small car, we had to figure out where to put the oil tank. So we designed the dry sump back here with the breather. And again, all custom metal work back here. Just wanted to really finish the interior and trunk off. So, and then your custom billet exhaust right out the back. We're able to take your 3-inch exhaust and bury it all up underneath the car, so plenty of ground clearance.
And how's that DynoMax sound on this vehicle?
It sounds very thrilling.
Excellent. Well, Chris, thank you very much for this unique and special build. We love the fact that we have this great relationship on DynoMax with you. We look forward to future builds with you, and just thank you for bringing this beautiful vehicle to our booth.
Appreciate it, Chris. Thank you for great product.
All right.